Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a film or a series on your watch list, of course, in Disney Plus website. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go and type at this URL section, which is right here. Type disneyplus.com and hit the enter button. That will certainly take you into this page unless you are not logged in into your account. So if that's the case, if you are not logged in into your account, or if you are just going to create your account, you will need to go and click at sign up now at the middle of your screen. And of course, you will need to provide them with the email address and the phone number and verify them both by a code that they will send you to start using the website. Or if you have an account, you can just log in at the top right corner option. Just go and click at login and provide them with your phone number that you created your account with, and they will send you a code and enter it, and you will be good to start. So once you do that, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page, and from here you will need to actually add a profile if you don't have one. But if you do have profile, just go and enter it. Maybe it's your profile, and here you will find all the movies around and all the series. Of course, you will be able to watch all of those if you are subscribed to one of their plans. So make sure to subscribe to one of their plans. They have two plans, the monthly plan and the yearly one, and of course both of them are not like so expensive. And as we said in the beginning of the video, if you want to add something and your watch list, of course, all we need to do, just go to any movie or series you are watching. As you can see, you have this plus option. So if you click on it, as you can see, it's added to watch list. And of course, if you want to remove it, just click again, and as you can see, it's removed. So of course that will work about anything else. So as an example, this one, just go and click on it, and as you can see, you'll find this plus icon. If you click on it, added to watch list, and if you click on it again, it's removed from watch list. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.